Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining Starlink mini internet in 2026. We will be understanding how it actually works, its pricing, and whether it is actually worth it in 2026. So Starlink mini is a compact portable satellite internet device which is designed for the people who need internet on the go. It's small enough to fit in a backpack and it works in the remote areas where normal internet doesn't reach. It combines a satellite dish and Wi-Fi router into one device so that you don't need any extra equipment. Now, instead of cables or towers, Starlink Mini connects directly to the SpaceX low Earth orbit satellites. You just power it on, point it at the sky, and it automatically connects to the satellites and create a Wi-Fi network in your area. Because the satellites are closer to the Earth than traditional ones, you are going to get lower latency and better speeds. If we talk about the setup and the portability, so the setup is really very simple. You need to plug in the mini device, then open the Starlink application, align it with the sky and start using the internet. The device weighs around 5 pounds and it is designed for travel, camping and remote works. Now, speeds typically range from around 50 Mbps to 300 Mbps depending on your location and the network traffic. In many real world tests, people have got around 100 to 200 Mbps, which is enough for streaming, video calls, and browsing. If we talk about the pricing, so the hardware is going to cost you $249 one time. Currently, they are giving an offer and you can get it for around $199. Now, it usually a part of ROM plans, meaning it's built for travel and flexible use. Now, the real question here is, should you actually go for this? So Starlink Mini is definitely worth it if you need internet anywhere, not just at home. It's one of the best portable internet solutions available today. But for everyday home usage, it's still expensive as compared to the other traditional internet. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.